being. And I don't want to see human beings being treated the way the Palestinians are treated. Also because I'm Irish, and the British use similar methods on the people of my country over an 800-year occupation. So what the Palestinians are going through is much shorter than what the Irish went through as regards time frame. But the killing at the moment is much more efficient, to use that horrific word. And this is an attempt to break the blockade, break this medieval siege. It's like something from 500 years ago on a castle. And I think people forget that. And also to bring attention to the cowardice of the EU, the sinister behaviour of various countries, talking out of both sides of their mouth, saying, oh, isn't it terrible? Well, delivering arms to kill Palestinians. It's like I've landed in some weird, strange world that I don't recognise. And the cowardice of politicians makes me nauseous. And you've only to look along here to see the crowds here. This is much bigger than I think the people involved in the flotilla expected. I mean, the crowds here are enormous. And this flotilla is enormous. This is only a portion. It goes all the way down there, and as you can see in the background, all the way down there. The boats have been loaded up now. And I think you'll be able to film that and see exactly what's going on, just in case anybody thinks it's something else. This is humanitarian aid, medical aid, and baby formula. I think there's some prosthetic limbs for children, and it's a tiny amount of what Gaza